Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Lindsay. I am glad that you are here to watch another journal flip through. If you are new, I do more than journal flip throughs on this channel. I do tutorials. I have an Etsy shop. We do lots of paper crafting goodies. So I hope you'll subscribe and that you'll stay a while. So this is a custom order. It is a themed journal. I guess it's more of a blind junk journal. This customer purchased one of the theme journals. She did not select a theme, so I just did a blind journal or the next one that I was making. And this is based on my kit in my dreams. And this is one of the pages from my kit on the front here. And I love the florals and everything. It's mostly a botanical journal. There's really pretty stitching. And let's get right into it. So this is a double thickness cover. So here's some really pretty floral paper on the inside. This is a book page on roses. That is really pretty. My boys are loud in the background. You can cut this up and use it to make journal cards or glue it throughout the journal. And then there's a space here to write name and information and stuff like that. So here's some of the pages from my kit. That kit will also be listed below. There'll be lots of information in the description box, including coupons and things. So you'll definitely want to read all that. Here's a little punch, and Tim Holtz, you are loved. I've done stenciling and stamping. I have book pages and ephemera pieces, embellishments. This is from Country at Heart 2008, and a little Tim Holtz flower that you can put wherever. This is one of my ephemera pages from Tickled Pink, but it didn't print the whole page, so I just, instead of cutting it out into ephemera, I have it as a page here, and you can journal there. We have some beautiful lace. This is Digital Collage Club, but that's a tuck spot for another book page that can be cut up and used or read or however. One of my pages, Digital Collage Club, and here is a vintage playing card. Some tickets from Calico Collage, and you can just tuck something right in there. Paper ribbon. This is from my kit again. This is a vintage 1917 embroidery page. I want to add these as a digital. I'm actually going to do that. Just decided. In the description box below, you will find the listing so you can print these out. I have been doing them in my journals, and I will have both a printed version and a digital version available. These are so gorgeous. They're from 1917, and there's so many different ones, so I will have these available as well. But that's a flip out for journaling. And then you could tuck something in the side there, but it's not a deep tuck. Book pages. Little corner tuck spots. I got this in Happy Mail, and I'm not sure what shop that is from. This is a coloring book page I got from the Dollar Tree. It was like an adult activity book, and so there's coloring and puzzles and things like that. So I just started the coloring with some marker. I did some purple flowers and some green leaves. So you can finish coloring it, you know, if you're sitting at a doctor's office or you just want something quiet to do. There's a Project Life tuck spot with a cut apart. This was some packaging from Prima that I just backed with some of my digital paper and then added a little magazine cutout there. This is an Artie Mays journal card that I glued on there and did some stamping. This is a Kodachrome vintage floral slide. There's a flower in there. If you hold it up to the window, it's a beautiful white flower. And then there's some fabric and a little Artie Mays butterfly. Tim Holtz, and then this is from Joanne Hall, and her Instagram is @JoanneHall. And if I don't remember to put it in the description box below, she is opening an Etsy shop, so I'm very excited to purchase from her and share her with you. TLC Creates Vintage. This is that same coloring page. I just added some stickers, did a little bit of coloring to start you off. Just pieces of ephemera tags that I've made. I love how the stenciling and stamping came out. Again, Artie Mays. This is from my kit. A little mini tag there. Here's a tag tuck spot, and here's how I signed this book. I just did LZ for Lindsay Zenor. Here is like a vintage like receipt or something like that, a blank receipt you can journal on. We have stamping, and oh my, we got glued together here. Some lace. Artie Mays. This is a 1950s magazine page, and this is making daisy lapel pin. and I just clipped that in there. Here, this is a really cool like cork board sticker, and then I just drew like the butterfly's path. Some more fabric. This, I think this is from Joanne as well. This I had still in my stash, and all of her stuff is now set aside, so I know to tell you if it's hers. But this was in my stash, and it looks like her style, so I'm pretty sure she made that. And a library card from Above Par Crafts. Love getting my library cards from her. She is amazing. You need to check her out on Etsy. So there we go. I love how this came out. I love the cover so much. So I'm so excited to get this sent off to its owner. If you would like a blind junk journal order, you can check that out below too. And that's pretty much just whatever comes next in my brain for the 9x6 size. I have a listing for that. So I wish you all a lovely day.